Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we want to learn two new chords, and these are major chords. For your information, we want to look at A and E. If you follow my tutorial, you realize that we've already tackled the minor chords of A and E already. You might be asking, why are we now going to do the major chords? I was focusing on the keys. Like I started in the beginning, I said that learning G is, I think, the easiest to some extent. It depends on the beginner, and I prefer to bring in the C as well, so that beginners can pick up with the F chord quickly, which will help in the bar chords, which is the subsequent tutorials we will learn from there. And so the A is just simple. From our A minor, we just want to bring this guy back up, but we have to shift these guys down, then we'll put this guy up here. So that's how our A major is. So from the fourth string down to the second string on the same second fret, that's our A. That's A. And always remember, we want the A to be dominant, so maybe we can avoid to play the E. Then we start from the A string. Maybe you can play from the E, but the E will sound quite dominant, but it depends on you how you want it. But let's try as much as possible to play from the fifth string. Then the E, if you remember the E minor, we learned, some people prefer to do it this way, the two index finger, the index finger on the fifth string and the middle on the fourth string, but I prefer it with the middle and the ring, because the major, I need this guy here, this guy on the third string, first fret. So just from the E minor, you move to the third string, first fret. That's E. So these chords, the best that we can learn from is from the key of A. E is the 5 for A, and D is the 4 for A. So we can do the if we do a recap on GCD, C, we can do the same thing for A using the A, D, and E. So this one will help you to practice the 1, 2, 3. Since it's a new chord, you have not memorized that. You cannot position your fingers on it without looking on it or taking your time. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Let's go back. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So when you become comfortable, you can start to do the strumming. So that's it for this tutorial. Just practice the A, and the E, and add it to all the other chords that we've practiced. And if you know the major scale and the minor scale, major scale, just focus on the chords that are aligned to a particular key and practice these chords. Now you can try and play in A, in G, and in C with these few chords. Thank you for watching this video this far. Don't forget to give a like, subscribe if you've not subscribed. If you're interested in learning the guitar, this is a good place for you. You can leave in the comment section, let me know how this tutorial has been helpful, and don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so that you be the first person to see my videos. Thank you, and see you next time.